Hi friends, welcome back to Kitchen Princess Bamboo. If you are new here, this is a Japanese cooking channel showing how to make Japanese everyday food. Today I'm going to be making no churn matcha ice cream and red bean ice cream. Both are typical Japanese flavor. I barely believe I can make ice cream without machine, but this is easy and tastes good, and best thing is you can customize the taste to your liking. Let's get started. In a small bowl, put a tablespoon of matcha and a teaspoon of sugar. You have to add sugar to help to dissolve the matcha without any lumps. Add a tablespoon of hot water and whisk well to make a thick paste. Set aside until used. Whisk the heavy cream until foaming. It should not be fluffy at this point. Way before salt peaks like this. Whip heavy cream all at once to save your time. In a separate bowl, put the red bean paste. I use store-bought red bean paste today, but you can find my recipe in the description box below. Add in heavy cream in 3 times and mix well each time. Add salt to enhance the flavor. Next, the matcha flavor. Add condensed milk and matcha paste to the rest of the whipped cream. Whip it until salt peaks form. Add salt to enhance the flavor as well. Transfer to a resealable container and freeze a couple of hours or until firm. While we are waiting, let's make rice cake ball. Mix 2 tablespoons of mochi-ko and 1.5 tablespoons of water by using chopsticks. Need to make a pliable dough. Then divide into a small ball like a size of nail and make a dent in the center to cook easily. Simmer for 3 to 4 minutes or until the rice cake ball floats to the surface. Take out to ice bath and set aside. This is totally optional, but I like to serve my ice cream like this. Pile up both ice cream and rice cake balls and more red bean paste. We call this Matcha Parfait and very popular at the Japanese style cafe. Rich in taste and the chewy rice cake add good satisfaction to the dessert. Of course, you can serve the ice cream as it is. You can enjoy all summer long with this recipe. I hope you will give it a try. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram or Facebook for daily updates, and visit my website princessbamboo.com for more information and living recipes. Thanks again and see you in a week. Bye!